Well, yes, RCF will be in focus on the back of its fundraising announcement and all the amendments that it has made into its MOA to try and assimilate all the newer business forays that they are going to be undertaking. First, let's talk about the fundraise. The board has approved an FPO, that's a further public offering of fresh equity issue, up to 1,500 crore rupees. This is, of course, subject to shareholder approval and approval from the Fertilizer Ministry as well as the PUM. Now, let's talk about the MOA amendment. The main objects clause of the Memorandum of Association has been amended under the Companies Act 2013, and object clauses have been expanded from 2 to 10 under clause 3A. The new clauses have been added as follows. First, clause 4 for STP and ETP water treatment recycled water business is something that they're going to be foraying into. Clause 6, full agrochemicals push, pesticides, biofertilizers, seeds and crop protection. Clause 36 is the most important one. They've added the provision to monetize movable and immovable assets via REITs, InvITs and SPVs, which this is an enabler for its land monetization plan. Clause 11 talks about warehousing, cold storage as well as logistics parks. And Clause 12 and 13, they talk about lending and investing in subsidiaries and joint ventures. Let's talk about the land monetization clause in some more detail. The Finance Ministry had earlier flagged that CPSE land assets can be monetized via the REIT route, and RCF's new clause 36 explicitly permits REITs, InvITs and SPV route for asset monetization. Company officials have reportedly eyed part of 277 crores of prime Mumbai land for commercialization, and the MOA change sums up to legal enabler for this land value unlocking plan, which is a big positive for the company. So in terms of implications, this is good for diversification. Fertilizer major will formally enter water treatment, agrochem, explosives and renewable energy. They're also looking at capital raise of 1,500 crores. So that talks about expansion, and land monetization unlocks non-core asset value for the company. So watch out for RCF.